Did you know not getting enough physical activity can have a serious impact on our lives? There are many ways to help prevent chronic illnesses like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. It can be as easy as putting one foot in front of the other. Just 10,000 steps per day can change your life. It's easier than you think. Just a few changes to your lifestyle will get you to 10,000, and you will feel healthier. Let's look at some numbers. Just 20 minutes of grocery shopping is 1,600 steps. Daily housework, 270 steps. Taking a flight of stairs instead of the elevator, 4 floors, is 48 steps. Taking a half-hour walk during lunch, around 4,000 steps. Your daily routine when you're not at your desk, 2,000 steps. You can see how this can add up. And if you add a 12-minute jog, 10,000 is just footsteps away. If you put your mind to it, adding regular walking into your day can be simple and fun. Think about leaving your car at the far end of the parking lot or walking to work. Pack your sneakers at the office so you can walk during a break. Find a walking buddy. A leisurely stroll with a friend can be fun. Make it your routine. Not only will you find a healthy weight, but you will also reduce your risk of stroke, high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, and certain forms of cancer. Do it for yourself. Do it for your family. Feel healthier. Your journey to 10,000 starts with the first step. This message is brought to you by the Florida Department of Health. For more information on walking your way to a healthier life, visit floridahealth.gov.